Mema we akwa eba GC News, hot news all time, latest and hot news. Aramde Bremo. Kweku Annan any Kumchacha beef asori the day and ye asem ketwa. And Kweku Annan wateti Kumchacha pasa na wodi and sembe atuja afada. Na answer na sembe ngira bebaro. Na say over subscribe. So we now subscribe ya odi subscribe. Odi abaya na say over click it and subscribe button. Now our belly notification. We had a video for Biano also once the Kedi. After we are now like the video, give us a thumbs up. Gyamfi. Share my offer for sooner when you be now working. I feel your call a editing. A year Kweku Annan now no day and simply ever to be a follower state a 1 year so for our account. Then when a Kumchacha Biliga to quite to say one tear say Kweku Annan a yes are exposé. Now when all the allegations will be book Kweku Annan say Kweku Annan could discuss of only be rented dining at the Amano. And a Kweku Annan a free Kumchacha who be some awards has some of the truth so allegation the truth. Kumchacha intimi ano intimi ama evidence intimi a chesi bia sofo we and amount say sika na we. Na no Kweku Annan recording or the better about na Kumchacha hu ye na say asem no aye kese apa. Any attend bi in the left and right. Na we na Kweku Annan asa ba bontin bi e dey nsama be bia fa Kumchacha ho ene watete na boye ne pasa nsem bebre na to say beef we dey e be kwa chiri papa ato nyi ntwaye ene asofo a woni kan nyina waye woni nyina pasa wa de obi a wo bi fa no bia fabra bontin wo twen wo na yesem be ne yekuti Kweku Annan no ne no nsema wo tu bia fa ye Kumchacha dey say waye ne pasa yeti nsema wo dey etuja yeti nsema
na eya na me bisa asem bia say Ghanaians into face me ti we de bia na me di meni be sinti mo politicians nkwa na ese mo man me bisa mo Ghanaians mo media for e ka ho bi ne ese your man politicians ka ho bi ne ese your man business people ka ho ne ese your man asofo ka ho ne ese your man all of us enti de be nti na edru nipa bi 10 na ye be ka mo asem a enipa bi su no aha de Kweku mamon ko ho wenimu de enka o masem. Oh, when you sure me? You want to take this fight on me? No, you have a catch him said, touch not the Lord anointed and do his prophet no harm. Who told you that? Who bound that dog? But then go and read Ephesians chapter 5 verse 9. Or say anything that is unworthy must be exposed. And you think I'm joking? You think I'm joking? Now who have a catch him? I saw for the look. Asofo at the apex of leadership in this country. Motiha meboa. Motiha na Ghana eko say meboa. Asofo kuku damamu Ghana. Moti Ghana ha and Ghana eko say mu. Haven't you seen it? Do you have the eyes? More spiritual eyes. I challenge all of you. If not that you are all in the altar of the satanic kingdom. Many of you, about 90%. I've said it before. Me say Ghana ha asofo mu about 90%. We are satanic worshippers. I said it. Listen to me. Me na mekae. Won't you go to hell? Because many penny are very rough. Because I don't see why. Politicians in this country. The last time I catch us a high in the two. A bet funeral this time. Me pedodo am I ready? Go to court na memra. No hona mube who say a spiritual matter, a physical matter. Call of you to the cleanest. Hey. Really? No one pass on raise our own. Archbishop Oforiata, please. Also, we need any obo de mount. So, we wasun waha. Bishop Palmer, usunye me wasun. Bishop Etu appear, usunye me wasun. Reverend Lawrence Tetteh, Mr. Lawrence, me wasun. And then the self-style of Kumchacha, whatever it is, because all these unscrupulous guys, like that guy on the screen. Basa bunch of rocks to huding basa to me be as we knew omumu. There to me be a new omumu. These guys to me be a new omumu. Now folks, with the move refie. Before we sail deeper into Ghana Speaks, we here at the front line want to set some records straight quickly. A couple of weeks now, the front line had called on 3 renowned men of God to make themselves available for some very important clarification into an ongoing investigations. And the men mukaya ebreka krei ena yede asofo bi ayeden epie se sa asofo yi momoden na womma yente womonka. But may I say this and say it quickly? Just say, and you monkwani asofo investigation bi come so edoso. But these are asofo yehwehwe mo yenya wom. Enuti ye showcase wom say womma yente womonka asofo ben ena Kweku ya request say mumma yente monka mumfo mumwi screen is ma Ghana for hu om. Sa asofo yi enye say bia ye do omudi one on down Lawrence Tetteh. Yes. Then the next one we and I say mumma oma na somra Bishop your friend a true appear on that screen is no. Yes. The rest I've only said say mumma ma somra ha. Afo guy we dey mumma onaso. Bibinti ene ya eden ye yes yema womufa womu mumra emeye clarification. But let me state this on record tonight. The very fact is say yes ye investigations be a Ghana for me patrol who Ghana who abruchimem wherever you are. Listen to me very well. Say I say one moment boy when hwehwemu bi ne dia eno nkyere say ya pronounce am say omo ye guilty as charged. No. Ghana for let's understand some things. Any panel ya hwehwe no brana be boy when hwehwemu bi me yentimi ho asem bi mu nkyeremu. That is all there is to it. Eya wasedie say wo beba na wo so ba be yi wano. Asem ni na no dia to so mienu asem no be yi anu ana say wo ba na wo do so nkyeremu de ba. The possibility say in Chiremo or the Bebano, it ends with the case. Oko baby, there may be nothing like any story bia ye baba yo. This is what I want Ghanaians mobile as indeed. Also for be say yanka no one someone and no chances how so for no be bintin yanka no wasem. Asem kwa ye hwehwe no ye hu de be hu wi a na ewo eno no de ye wonom. Asem ko say ne na mo ebra ewo de ye say kasa asem ne fa. But may I state and state strongly say Kweku, I am not here for the purpose of say. Me diane say. Me twetwe asofo omuhihye om baby. Na me de bia no me de nsem e attack om ne megu om ni ase. Please. Sa tag na mo pese mo de hye me kon no enye adwuma. Sa tare na mo pese mo de hye me kon no enye adwuma. But me pese me bisa say, why is it that you people want me to go and investigate politicians? But when it comes to your men of God, when it comes to men of God in this country, hey, it's a no-go era. Kweku Annan, don't venture there. So, trust me. Tonight, me person me yeah, be very clear, mama. The minimum we tonight, and I'm going to say, Kweku Annan, I have accepted the challenge. Now we set the ball rolling. I'm not bragging. Hey, Net2, last time I catch them. And you ma mimi who were Net2 no, minyan kamu story in Jirobiao. Minyan mo sun chemo. Opportunity to come and grant some big radio station an interview of what went on Net2, and I haven't done that. But I'll tell you something tonight. The so-called men of God, at the time when they come, let me tell you folks, meaning some men of God are, for the purpose of say they want to crash that expose, some of them naked themselves, and they went and stood behind the sea, because to me or the year Jumano, to me bear the offense saying the goddess of the sea, or Hono to me free, or born naked straight away. Yes, or Shapanto could face the sea goddess. Why? Because a sorrow no air crumble, because we'll be to Nususa. Minimal so far, Mubo, who say yen say a branch and auto Kweku Annan, and I'm moving minim. I know, a minimum moyen, as often be swinging. Who you think is a joke? Mubo mutu sa abrante no ye bese no, because why antam asay onyankopon adwuma, but that wasn't the story. Mama say me bese onyankopon adwuma no. Bonina some of you mudi e rukasam no amudi no. Onyankopon asem a ma commercialize no. Na ma siniti ase, na mo de dada onyankopon ma e de o ma call say mu. E na ne yabase ye ba be giwom, ye be rescue wom. E na musu no. Minimum so for be of friend me catch him say Kweku jai. Yes, moja kakra ye didi uni jama ye. Nam si no. But you see, mano, senye asofo mi investigate man. Ne minim se sana. Mu ye mpateku ebinum, mu ye mpateku, mu ye lions, mu ye wolves and dragons and satanic worshippers. Many of you, makame say asofo wa Ghana about 90%. The remaining 10% And America so me for 90%. I said it. You are satanic worshippers. All your altar is full of blood, testy, demonic evil. And nyoma minimum, and nyoma minim fam wa so phony binimum. Politicians, I can say, politicians from Ghana, a lot must go to sleep. Bonia mudie no. Say eye me won say mutumi nya kukuduro. Any of fells so na mudi sa abona show Nyankopon animyam. And still, mu wi amoko ginegina mo altar no so clapping your hands and they been asking God for his favor. But I dream my reason for doing this ni na wo mo Bible no. Kokenka Ephesians 5:9 I guess so. Adebia enti wo Nyankopon anim no. O say pie. I can give you more scriptures. Omuria no ma be ka kire o say I Kweku touch not the Lord anointed and do his prophet no harm. Foolishness. Mo Bible naka. E wo hemfa. Wo kokenkan ya. I think Proverbs 26 wo. Ai waka ho. E wo ho pa wo. E wo ho de asem na wo. Mun koken mo kwasie hu ni kwasie ma na nya na adwen so wo enyanseni. Mo madwen am samunya. Who made you people those God says mo decide we atena Ghana for konso sa wo. This rogues asofoni binum amwo Ghana ha. Mo de to me Nyankopon say just seven prayers wo hwe obi so ogina ho a JHS crowd wenwie JHS crowd wenwie yet udi agrobema Professor Dr. Emeritus they said this rogue here that way so this guy obem we di ahwea why because I see God says di ahwea na oyare na ebeko we num this unscrupulous rogues waiting to say the other screen is so. Guess what? In the course of the weekend, I received a link, and in the link, a self-styled acclaimed, listen to me, Ghanaians, a self-styled acclaimed prophet called Kumchacha was seen on the link, littering avalanche of insult on me and quoting portions of the meeting held with the following persons. Weekend the mo amoti emahu. Say, sa akwawe your that screen is see. Ono ababonten abaye e the link bi abeto ha. Sa meeting na yekoye no, ode emu nsem e de apiapia. Obeke kansem na efi okeke wi a, all your allegations. Kweku Annan any asofo bi share, asofo bi renti diamond, asofo bi mami sika, asofo bi say okeka ne bebre na atem wodi ye de. Me ne atem no die no kran ha me na emom me masem ne se enche wo de wo bekan na wo de ne krani nara asofo sen wo mu di sika break Kweku Annan fa hene say because it's so easy for you to say it without giving a bit of meat or substance to the allegations. But this guy decided say no be na dwene no be na de. Indeed, I took my time to listen to this guy or this screen is this unscrupulous rogue rascal Ragámufian, a despicable scavenger, stinking bean, pushing all sorts of allegations on the superhighway because those who came for the meeting, according to Kumchacha, have fed him all the information to come out and do what he was seen doing. Not some more Bekane said, say ni pano ni me ba meeting, any ne di nkomo. Say omra no make kasa ansem no beke kan enti ena obi di obi ka adane Kweku Annan obaba say obaba kan asem ena fa na obi di obi ka private issue no beke kansam fusa this rogue, this stinking bean, this guy wait he spits there be saliva of showers of saliva doesn't no onwini beke kan say ya no digu and wo fa no hudi and minim se bebre mate. I decided to place a call to him. Now let me tell you folks, a blame we expose no Net2. I saw for a friend me I bought Net2 abaso plus myself. Mean to me but I can remember this guy on the screen who called me to congratulate me for the fact he said Kweku edwuma no sa pepe na monya no. Eba na saying this same guy on that screen is we. Whilst we are investigating Reverend Nyamekye of the Maker's house, or no sooner the same or software frame or one of them. The rest me momudin. Na say I no mutie. So we your software be investigation. Who dia be ne we afraw, ne we abra. Obeka so mo fraw, anyway be din komo bi papa bi da bi. Wo mo hwehwe wo say or one of them. Wait. Me bisa na say o giden. Nyamekye ho na wo frame no. Wo frame agiden. What is it that you can do for Reverend Nyamekye? What is it? Edien adenti ena sam komo no a one man me be a meeting and the one frame me Sammy ho asem. Unim investigation ye wo Lawrence Tetteh ho. Unim investigation ye wo true ho. There be onim ba wakọ so mo man iska wo so mo ye den ne dia na se omra no medidi Kweku Annan. Meanwhile, we congratulating me paying for the fact say investigation ye ahyase no ono ankasa all the time or super ono ananfo for software. Me na me ye medwuma. We are software. How dare you so be walking to me medwuma? Abe catch them say me nya medwuma me ye. Na we are we catch them say and obia is say for evidence and fabric. And so we this guy. But folks, my main car say me njira omo. Dia me catch them no. Enipa asophobia bo dumpim. Na ma adwene say mo ba be take up a battle with Kweku Annan because Kweku Annan investigate asofo. Na monti ase no. Dia make at a warning kese na me de mamo. A warning say and be measured in your line of coming on this attack. And I hereby state categorically, I accept your challenge. In any form you want to embattle. But my main Kaimo, let me remind you guys. Let me remind you guys. Engage somebody who is deep. Samu person to kwana kwa. And you engage obia or you deep. Not somebody like this. Engage somebody who is deep. Not somebody who what? Who need what? Help. Mamunko engage obia ohiamwa. Not somebody who need your help. Don't engage somebody who need help. Don't engage somebody who needs some form of psychiatric observation. Don't engage that person. Don't engage somebody who is suffering from schizophrenic syndrome. Don't engage that person. Okay? Don't engage somebody who speaks stinking showers of saliva. Don't. Like Kumchacha. Mamu engage, you know. Oh, meme side. We. You should engage somebody who must come and fight a good fight. No we. A guy who spits showers of saliva. That goddamn stinking one. We. Please. Say no na makomu meeting. And I must say, na mo say Kumchacha kasa gegega. And then I me ubeti me dia say me image. How dare you? Who the hell is Kumchacha? Then with him. We. And I do me person me koni easy demano. Me pese me koni easy de mano na me tu mu asofo mpanifo ni bia mo hihye kira mo hye ne chi no me ma mo warning and a caution mo pa regather re-energize and come back na enhwe ade me ma mo nya ne easy sa asofo mpanifo bebre mu wo Ghana ha ma ye madwene se we are the big man of God into de wa ye no de wo ye no mo bia anka ho asem na wa imagine se wo de onyankopon din ato ho so ena wo sha so dem na mudi ma wa soro ho e ma no mu sai wom mu sai ma no including nkrofo yerenom na wo wi a be ka che mi Kweku say no e your private matter nkurasefo mu nim nyansa na mudi onyankopon atom ho so na mudi onyame din ayo twiase eno na mo hwehwe ho na Ghana na ya funtia. I am looking for a government obeba will change the laws of Ghana and make sure that every asori biara wo Ghana answer na obeti asori no and see more a certain degree of pedigree so be satisfy that cause and sana ye de atare ahyew and kanti we be jira aka say nyame afre me nyame frɛ wo sinimu ni akronfo bunch of rocks pade papa ko kamientie ye kotu Kweku Annan so sa mumra me twamo me say nobody and winim minimu wie wo ha say I challenge anybody, be that way a journalist, or your software, anything you have about me, with any of your software, say make Kweku Annan. Tell software Kweku ni sika be shame say whatever it is. Look, Ochina Dawson, before maybe you show you bring it out. Kumchacha, you rascal, a Ragámufian, a despicable, a good for nothing. I wouldn't nyam. What the answer? What done then? Why it's say like a rabble going round, and you say, Obibaka Kweku, why are you spending time on this Kumchacha? I have to do so because the lives of such beings will go out there and they will shape, they will inform society on the trend of negative story, negative news. Woman no say nipa. Me catch na me is about me, it's not about you.
Yo digo weni and some of your Kweku Annan edit to the idea Kumchacha de wabubu na precious and some of the to finance to why pasa now what is somebody now to Micheal GC News so and our hello so we can subscribe ya let's just say over subscribe no like it now watch a video no ama Akufo-Addo enye bi na wahe also bet me actually what being afa here and so we na home ever comment box in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.